y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell before we get started. For my OGs, hey girl, hey. We are back with another synthetic slay. This one was gifted from Hair So Fly. And before we unbox her and put her on, I just want to show y'all why I love this site. They actually take the time to take pictures of the synthetic wigs, different hair colors. Sometimes the wigs are fully outside of the packaging, but usually it's like this, which is honestly so much more helpful. It's not on every wig, but I'm sure if we start swinging our money that way, they probably would. I'll leave a link to their site down below for y'all to take a look. This is from Outres Melted Hairline SWIRLISTA collection. It was giving HD lace for sure. It has an elastic band on the inside. If you want to do a glueless, you definitely can. I didn't because I knew I was going to be wearing it for a little while, so that's that. It does come pre-plucked, but we know better than to trust someone else's plucking unless you don't want to, and that's fine. Here's a better view of the side of the wig that has more parting space, which is where I did most of my plucking. It didn't look bad, it just didn't match my hairline, or at least what I want my hairline to look like if I had straight hair on a regular basis, and that's what we always want to go for. Now that the front is laid, we can start seeing what this hair looks like on, and yes, I am doing a ball cap. I don't care what anyone says, it looks so much better when you do a ball cap, because I definitely did try it on without the ball cap, and I was like, oh, maybe, but the ball cap just does something. I don't know what it is, it just gives it a little oomph. I got these HD wig caps from Amazon. A pack of 24 was only $10. They're literally the best wig caps I've tried, and of course I'll link them for you in the description box below. I show these in every video, but I love using pinking shears to cut my lace. I'll link the ones that I have down below. It makes the jagged cut perfect each time, and you don't have to worry about cutting yourself or cutting a piece of hair off or anything like that. One thing about a black girl in the color ginger is it's gonna eat every time, eat you down every time for sure. Like, I already knew what was happening before I even really glued her down. Like, come on y'all, get with it. To glue down the wig, I used my Erica J Sport Glue. I wore this wig for maybe like a week and it held up really, really well. And I only did one layer because y'all know I do not like having wigs on for 3 years at a time like some of these other people. To melt it even further, I used my Even melting spray, and I know they're supposed to be canceled right now, but I bought it before they were, so we're just gonna go with it for now. Once that dries down a bit, then we tie the band down and let it melt for a few minutes, then cut off the air tab. And then back to the band and time for my makeup. Once that's done, we're going to do some cleanup around the edges. Like, come on, do y'all see that? Phenomenal. Just, ugh. Lately, when I'm installing my wigs, my synthetic wigs, I've really been wanting to cut them shorter every single time. And this was no different, but I didn't this time because I was on a time crunch. Me and my boyfriend were going out on a date and I had to be ready by a certain time. And I did actually like it long. I just felt like short would be cute too. And I did recently wash the hair, so maybe I'll do like another install and with it cut. Let me know if y'all want a video like that. I'll definitely record it for you guys. There were a few things that I really liked about the wig. First and foremost, the waviness. This pattern that they got is absolutely stunning, and especially with the ginger, like it just works. And then on top of that, even though it's wavy, it still has like a yaki-ish texture, so there's like a little bit of like just texture to the wig, which I really enjoyed. It made it feel like it wasn't just a synthetic wig, because y'all have seen ginger synthetic wigs, they're not cute, but this is actually giving like, you know, a real human type of wig, and we like that. Also, I feel like the length was a really good length. I think this was 28 inches, and I also feel like the part, even though it wasn't that much hair, like they still gave me a good little C part situation. And I feel like the lace, like I said before, the lace was just so good. Like it was so good to me, even though I kind of messed it up when I started putting more makeup on it, but you can't really tell. You can tell, but you can't tell. So I like that part too. Y'all, I have been debating on if I should go ginger or go red. Ginger, as you can see, is just giving. Red also giving. I don't know which one. Like can you go from red to ginger? Like, can you go, like, I don't know, can you go from ginger to red? Like, I don't know which one would make more sense. Like maybe I should need to try both. I don't know. It doesn't have to be an end all be all. I don't me not know, but me do know this. Chef's kiss, y'all. I, again, as usual with all of my synthetic wigs, I am so tempted to cut her, not as short as I normally go, but definitely shorter, like literally right here, just the tips, because the tips is a little straggly, you know. And I feel like it just looks so much fuller as like a long bob, you know. Y'all, I love this wig. I don't even know where to start with like anything. Like I just love it. Y'all already know, ear to ear, it's a vibe. Okay, as y'all can see, I barely do baby hairs when it comes to synthetic wigs. If I can get away with no baby hair, I am going to try to get away with no baby hair. Okay, I'm the Hamburglar when it comes to no baby hair. Take it away. I don't want it. I don't want no parts. I'm sick and tired of baby hairs. Like, I'm tired of them. I don't want to do anything. I want no parts in them. And yeah, like I barely even do baby hairs when I have my natural hair out. Like I just don't be feeling like it. Like I just don't. Y'all can see, like, you don't even need no baby hair with this. This lace is so nice. There is just a slight white cast, a very slight white cast when you turn a certain angle with the light. But also I have, you know, studio light, so I feel like it's a little bit more harsh. I'm about to go out tonight. I don't think it's gonna be this bad or that bad. Hopefully not, because I'm recording content. We went out to eat to a new restaurant, so I hope it's not too bad. But if it is, don't say nothing, okay? Don't mind your business. Mind your business, because we already, you know, you can see the install is installing, okay? It's installing. I'm trying to be cautious of cutting too far into the lace, because I have cut too far in and then the wig don't fit on my head. So yeah, we gotta make sure the wig fit on the head. That's like rule number one. Oh, see, even this angle. So cute. I'm using my Fenty Beauty palette. Not even palette, but bronzer. I really like this. The only thing that the only drawback that I will say is I wish it was just a little bit thicker. I feel like with a synthetic wig, like, you guys have ample opportunity to just make it voluminous. Because at least with a thick wig, you can thin it out. You can't make this thicker. I mean, unless you add some tracks. But who has synthetic tracks lying around that are this color, that, and who just has time for that? Nobody has time for that. They don't have time for that. Make the wigs thicker, okay? Because this is literally all of it to the front. This is it. I feel like all of this and then just like another handful in the back would be just the right amount. I feel like the synthetic wigs have just been really raising the bar, the levels, because I haven't worn a regular wig in weeks. Honestly, it might be the whole year. Like, granted, like I'll switch it out for like a little headband wig when I'm being lazy at work, but the synthetic wig's been holding me down. I'm just saying, like, it's holding me down. And the ginger and the skin eats. Okay. Before we head out of this video though, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Thumbs this video up if you like what you see, and how could you not? Like, come on now, like, I mean, it's hotter than baby. Come on, stop with the video. So just, yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna wait. And subscribe to. Cool. All right. Also, make sure to comment down below. Would you wear this? Would you wear this color? Y'all know ginger and black girls go together like white on rice. It's just a known fact. If we locked in, ain't no switching. Like, it's giving all of that. Like ginger is just giving. It's that girl for us. Okay, it's that girl for us. And of course, share this video with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, uncles, aunties, whoever you gotta share with. Okay. Let me know if y'all like the synthetic wig route. I don't want to be a synthetic wig girly forever, but the prices for the synthetics and the quality is giving more than what, you know, the actual human hair wigs was given. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.